Bridge financing essentially is us lending money to you to help you bridge the time between right now and when you get to a bank loan or have a different exit strategy in the future. Bridge financing has really two main purposes. One is to leverage the amount of money that you have using some of our money and some of your money. Then we can purchase maybe twice as many properties, have twice as much appreciation on those properties, and increase cash flow. The other main purpose of bridge financing is to get you to the bank faster with a bank loan. If you don't have a bridge loan in place or a mortgage to pay off, then you have to wait a full year to go to the bank and get a cash out loan for an investment property. So with a bridge loan in place or a mortgage on the title of the property, you can actually take that mortgage that I create and go to the bank day one and go and start refinancing that property and change that rate to a tax deductible, maybe 5.5% to 6% rate. A lot of people don't know that when you pay cash for a property, you have to wait a full year to go get a bank loan and pull that cash back out. That's called a cash out investment property loan, and you just have to wait a year before you can get that money out. That's just a bank rule. Unless, and this is the big unless there is already a mortgage on that property, and then the bank will refinance that mortgage day one. You don't have to wait. And so what our bridge financing does is creates a mortgage on the title of the property so that you can take it to the bank and get it refinanced to the bank, maybe the first month. Insiders Cash is generally willing to lend 50% of the value or the purchase price of the property that you just purchased. We'll either give that cash back to you that you can use for other investments, or we'll actually help you purchase another property by doing two bridge loans, one on the property that you already own, and then a second bridge loan on the property that you're buying, so that you can essentially get two properties, bringing in two cash flows or two rental incomes with only a small payment on both bridge loans, so that you increase your cash flow and also have the opportunity for double the appreciation. We don't do an income check. We are basically lending on the asset, which is the property. We don't do an income check. We don't verify your credit score. This loan is a private money loan that's based on the property. So it's easy to qualify for. We do require, however, that you have an exit strategy. We want to make sure that you are planning to pay us back within the first couple years of having that loan. But that's enough time. 2 years is enough time to maybe change your credit score. If you're Canadian, maybe establish American Credit in a couple of years so that you can pay back our bridge loan with a bank loan in the States. Let me show you a diagram that can help illustrate the first benefit of bridge financing. You can use your cash to purchase a property outright. The obvious benefit to you is that you won't have an interest payment. But without an interest payment, there's no interest deduction on your taxes to offset the income you'll receive from rents each year. If you purchase properties with cash all the time, you'll also be limited to the number of properties you can purchase by the amount of cash you have on hand. If you want to pull money back out of your investment without a bridge loan, you'll need to wait 1 year for the bank to give you a cash out loan on an investment property. To speed up the process of reaching your ultimate scenario, you can take the one-day bridge loan to get across to tax-deductible interest and a low interest payment to offset your rental income. With a bridge loan, you will negate the 1-year wait for financing your investment with the bank. The second benefit of bridge financing is to limit the cash you'll need to purchase an investment property. By using some of your money and some of our money to purchase or refinance properties, you'll be able to leverage your money and basically double your rental income opportunity. For example, you could spend $40,000 to purchase a property that pays you $700 in rent, or your same $40,000 in cash could purchase two properties with the help of our bridge financing that will pay you $1,400 in rent with bridge loan payments of around $400 per month. In this example, you were able to purchase two properties rather than one with the same $40,000 cash, but now you'll receive net rents of $1,000 per month instead of $700. In addition, if both properties appreciate over the next few years, you will have doubled your appreciation because you used bridge financing to leverage your investment into twice as many properties. First thing that you want to do is email the email that you see on the screen and let me know what questions you have about bridge financing so we can get you started. Second thing is we want to know that you have an exit strategy ready to go to pay off the loan within the first couple of years. That could be through a self-directed IRA or a 401k or inheritance or bank financing. Any of those things are fine. We just need to know that you've planned out an exit strategy to pay off your loan within a couple of years. third thing is because we lend to exclusively for investors only, you'll need to have an active limited liability company or corporation that we can lend to from our LLC to your LLC essentially, so we can do this as a commercial loan. If you don't already have an LLC set up, we have relationships with other trusted people that will set up an LLC with you, and email as well, and we'll get you set up with that service. Okay, make sure that you explore as much as you can on insiderscash.com. Check out the different tabs. We've got training on that's available for you to go through each of our products, and also forms that you can print off and help you understand what we do and how to use it in your local areas or on the properties that you're looking to finance or refinance. I look forward to working with you to help you achieve your real estate goals. Let's get started as soon as you're ready.